February 11th, after the second storm. So the blizzards of 2010. Last night's storm was worse as far as winds and visibility, but obviously the first storm dumped more snow. Snow piles are crazy. Doesn't look like our neighbors are getting out anytime soon. Snow pile is as tall as you are, Steph. If you look at our window, the snow is up to the window.
That means that you have to do some work.
That's kind of a drift there. It drifted up, but it's a lot of snow. I gotta get that off. You left the door open, Steph.